Hi guys, this is 2013 Audi A4 2 liter. So I'm going to replace today the drive shaft. This drive shaft is damaged inside. You can see the grease out. Okay, here coming front axle nut. So that one is a 19 millimeter. See in here is a 19. Yep, the Allen key. Either all the way is the grease out, so that's why I'm changing the drive shaft. Here I got the aftermarket Wreckers one. So that axle have to go in here. You can see the inside bolt in here, the axle that could be the M10. Okay, that's the M10 bolt. You have to off all the M10 bolts in there. Okay, we're going to off this the 90 millimeter Allen key. It's a long bolt. Go like this. And check with my stool. You can see in the measure inside bolt is saying 19, nearly 19. Okay, you can see the inside of the axle. So I put 2 bolts in here because you can easily turn the axle. Okay. So we're going to off the M10 bolts. Okay, now is that one is free. Okay, I'm going to hit the axle in here. It's moving back. Easy. So we're going to take it out for the axle. It's very easy. Is the axle. So we nothing off anything, just the bolt. That's it. It's very easy. Okay, here's the axle. Okay guys, you can see the broken axle boot. It's broken in here. This come in the Next you can see the grooves. We're going to put back the new one. We put the grease on this front. Going to apply for the front axle nut. See the driver side, so I already off the bolt off there and the 19mm Allen key bolt, and I off these two in here, two bolt. That's a 16mm for that two bolt in here and at this side. Now after I lose this ABS wire on here, it's going. I need to off the Allen key for the ABS sensor. Is a 7mm. Get the sensor off. Okay. We're going to install the new axle. Okay. Guys, we tied all the nuts that side. You can turn it, and another one. Okay, guys, finally we installed everything back together. This is how the change the drive shaft for the Audi A4. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We'll see you in the next one.